morning, my dear teachers and my colleagues. First, I want to wish a New Year wishes. I wish you very happy New Year to all. I hope this year brings goodness of happiness and new achievements, new goals in your life. Next, I want to introduce myself. I am Kalpana. I am working in PUPS Uniyavatti. My working experience is 8 years and my qualification is MSc B.Ed, DTED. MSc B.Ed in Mathematics. Next, and my problem in my school is reading English and learning English is very difficult to all children because our parents are very poor background parents. They are not able to read, they are not able to guide our students. So it's very difficult to learn English now. So we plan on some phonic words and some letters and some syllable method we plan and teach our students. How teach means we form a group students like 5 group means we plan to name, that is color scheme, pink, blue, green, red. Likewise we plan some group names. So each group leaders first they learnt phonic letters, and then each and every letters we form a syllables, and then each and every letter we learn through phonic letters, and then we join the reading the whole words. ZIEP, Zero Investment Innovations Education Initiatives. It's a platform for the teachers, by the teachers. It's in this pandemic session we updated through this whole session. In first session they taught history of ZIIE, and the second session is they taught curriculum, all the NCE about curriculum, all things we learned that second session. And all sessions are very useful to us because we are stuck in our house now. These sessions are very helpful to bring our knowledges and bring our ideas, bring our innovatives, etc. This is very helpful to us. Benefits of ZIIE is improved productivity, better quality, and the improved staff retention, motivation, and easier to handle the students through low cost of things. Through TLM, easy TLM, we are made very easily TLM, etc. And my solution: every year ZIE finds the most effective teachers through zero investment solutions. We learned some example: wrapper learning, visual learning, daily attendance. It's very amazing to know. It's, if we implement in our classroom, students are easily understanding and easily interesting to attend all the classes. It's very helpful to us, and climb the ladder of good values, happy birthday card. Students are very enjoying all these activities. First, in beginning, some students are not able to read simple words, but even we practice them and we learn them through phonic letters. No, then easily they can read simple words. And nowadays, students are interested in reading English and interesting. They are making many doubts and asking to our teachers. So we are clarifying them. Now we are very happy to see students are now easy to read English. This is a great achievement to us. We are happy to say this. Now the students are now reading English difficult words also. And thank you for giving this wonderful opportunities to us. Thank you, sir.